These burrito bowls are my family's favorite. They're so delicious, healthy, and loaded with flavor. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. These chicken burrito bowls are the real deal with avocados, sweet peppers, lettuce leaf, beans, and chicken breast with rice on the side. I'm really excited, so let's get started. We're going to be making 2 burrito bowls, and for that we're going to go in with 2 chicken breasts. They weigh approximately 375 grams. If what you have on hand are chicken thighs, you could just use those. To make the marinade, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. A nice smoked paprika gives it a lovely flavor. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just going to give this a quick mix. Now that the dry ingredients are well mixed, let's add 2 cloves of garlic for that lovely earthy flavor. And to add some fresh flavor, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro. Going to cross chop it so that we get it nice and fine. Okay, let's add this to the bowl. For a little bit of zing, we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. And I always like to roll it out a little bit before cutting it because that helps to make it softer and easier to squeeze out the juice. See how soft it becomes, and these limes are really juicy. And to that we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and give it a quick mix. We're going to use this marinade for our chicken and also for our sweet peppers. We're going to marinate our chicken with this lovely delicious paste now. Now let's flip them over and marinate them on the other side. I'm going to save some of this mix to marinate the bell peppers. I love the deep red color that this marinade has, and it makes the chicken taste and also look really appetizing once it's cooked. We're going to cover this with a plastic wrap and leave it aside to marinate while we work on the sweet bell peppers. And we're going to go in with 1/2 red bell pepper and 1/2 yellow bell pepper, and we're going to cut it into strips. And now let's chop down the yellow one. Collect them and put them into a bowl. And on that we're going to toss on the remaining marinade that we had saved while marinating the chicken. Sprinkling a little bit more salt on this. And let's toss it up. It's already looking so appetizing. Alright, now we're going to leave this aside to marinate along with the chicken while we prepare our lemon rice. To a heated pot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And in that, we're going to crush 2 cloves of garlic and saute it till the garlic loses its raw flavor. And now we're going to toss in 1 cup of washed and drained long grain rice. And we're going to give it a quick stir so that it combines well with the garlic. To cook the rice, we're going to add in 1½ cup of chicken stock and the juice of 2 limes. The chicken stock and the lemon are really going to enhance the flavor of the rice. And now to that, we're going to add some salt to taste. I've added about 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to give it a quick mix so that all the flavors combine. As soon as you see bubbles coming to the surface, you're going to cover it with a lid and allow the rice to cook till it absorbs all the liquid. And this should take approximately 7 to 10 minutes. And now once it's ready, we're going to toss in the chopped cilantro and give it a quick mix. To a heated skillet on a high flame, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to sear our chicken on both sides. Once the chicken is seared, we're going to lower the heat and allow the chicken to cook till the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit until the juices run clear. And once the chicken has cooked, we're going to take it off the pan and use the same pan to fry our sweet bell peppers. This is going to help us pick up all that leftover flavor of the chicken that's in the pan. Now let's saute them and allow them to cook for just about 3 to 5 minutes. We still want them to be a little crisp. And for a little bit of crunch, we're going to add some nice toasted tortilla chips. I've taken a fresh tortilla and I'm going to cut it into strips. And then we're going to put it into the oven and toast it. Cutting them on the diagonals, we get some triangle nachos, just for a little style. We're going to place this in the oven and toast it just a little bit. While the tortilla is toasting, let's put together a dressing to drizzle on the burrito bowl. We're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime. I'm going to eyeball this. You could measure it if you wanted. To that, let's add some honey, about half a tablespoon, 1 clove of garlic. And to that, we're going to add about a tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And for that final seasoning, we're going to add some freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. Let's give this a quick whisk and bring it all together. This is going to give our burrito bowl such a wonderful flavor. And no burrito bowl is complete without some nicely sliced avocado. We're going to squeeze some lime on the sliced avocado so that it stays nice and bright and green. And now we are all ready to build our burrito bowl. We're going to start by placing some lettuce leaf at the base. Let's place that delicious chicken that we prepared on the top. And we're going to spoon on some of that cilantro lime rice that we prepared. A nice generous helping of our sweet bell peppers. And we're going to spoon on some canned corn and some canned black beans and some chopped red onion. And we're going to place our sliced avocado next to the rice. And for a bit of crunch, we're going to add in our toasted tortilla chips. And we're going to add a nice spoonful of cheese on the top. And to add a creamy texture, we're going to add a scoop of sour cream. And to finish it off, we're going to drizzle on some of the dressing we had made. This looks so appetizing that I've got to give it a taste. I'm going to go in for some chicken and some of that lime rice. Wow. Hey, and if you're new to my channel and love my recipes and enjoy my videos but haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. And if you hit on that bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And while you're at it, hit on that like button and leave me your comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Can't resist this.